Hey, what's up everybody? What we're going to try to do is make a base for our TV stand. So we really like our TV stand. So the top piece is a piece of koa that we picked up from scrap, and the bottom piece is an ohia log from our yard. So the problem with this design is it's really unstable. You can see it right here because we have a wide top and a narrow base, and I've been meaning to work on the base for a long time, but never got around to it. So I'm going to try to do it today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of our ohia logs and I'm going to carve it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the base underneath that and trace it out, and I'm going to try to carve a indentation so it'll just fit right in. So here's the log we're going to use as a base, and I'm going to leave it pretty raw because what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve. I'm not going to make it flat. I'm going to make the bottom flat, and then I'm going to carve to make it kind of look like roots. So I'm going to trace this out here. And we're going to route that out with our router. So that's the dimensions of the outline of this base here. It's kind of cool. It almost looks like the Big Island. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to route this out with our router. So this piece was just going to fit right in there.
So I have my Rayleigh router, and I'm gonna gently angle it in and start carving out the center. And this will take a while.
Here's the rough shape after we finish routing it out. So I'm going to try to take it inside and see if it fits. Okay, we got it inside. We're going to do a test fit. It's super heavy. Not quite.
So I went back and routed the edges out, and I'm gonna try again. And there's a slight gap, but should be okay. Just gotta get it in around the corners. Just gotta move it around, and hopefully it falls right in.
Perfect.
So now I'm gonna use my angle grinder with my Holy Galahad from King Arthur Tools coarse wheel, and I'm going to grind the edges down so it kind of looks like roots going into the ground. So this will take quite a while, but the Holy Galahad wheel is making good work of the wood.
Okay, I got the shape that I want. Looks more natural. And I was using the rough cut. So now I'm changing to the finer cut, and I'm gonna go through it one more time. And then I'm gonna take it to the orbital sander.
So I'm using the finer blade now, and I want to make it as smooth as possible, get rid of all the marks. So when I use the orbital sander, and it'll come out much easier.
Well, just finished using the orbital with 40 grit. It's really tough to sand because I'm trying to make contours so it looks more natural. So I'm not gonna do much here. I'm gonna keep it pretty rough. I'm thinking of going to 100 or 120 grit and just call it a day. Well, we finished sanding it with the orbital, and we only went down to 80 grit because it's going to be the base. Much of it's not going to be seen. Yes, did do the other side, the bottom. So I'm going to put some natural Danish oil finish. And wow, it looks good. This is like the never gets old, putting the finish on the wood. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And we'll do the bottom. Even though no one will ever see it. Except you guys on the video. That's the only time anybody's gonna see the bottom. Probably for a long, long time. I'm gonna do the center just for the hell of it. Even though, again, that's something that no one will ever see. At least the wood will be protected. I'm debating about whether to glue it in. I'm thinking no, it's just, but it's gonna be dependent on how sturdy it is. Because I may put a dowel in, because that's what's holding the top to the base. I'm really happy with how this turned out. And this was kind of like a scrap piece, had lots of cracks. I had no intention of filling it. Then I thought, oh, why didn't I just use this for the base? I've always been wanting to make the base. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and wipe off the stain, and we'll catch you inside.
Well, there it is. So I did not glue it in, and I did not put a dowel in. And it's pretty stable. Really happy with how it came out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And aloha.